Hello and welcome back, everyone. We are here live at our Atascosa location, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander behind the camera again, and as you know, Faith is inside, and today we want to show you guys the Trinity. Now, this is a really nice home with 2 beds, 2 to 3 beds actually, with 2 baths, and 930 to 1190 square foot. Alrighty, let's see who's inside.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our lives.
Hey, Faith.
Well, Merry Christmas Eve. Anyways, happy early Christmas. I hope you're all having a great holiday season and y'all be safe traveling. You know, we're all going to see our families. Y'all be safe, have a great Christmas and make it home safe. And we are so excited that it is Christmas in like 3-4 days. So let's start this tour. So right over here is your little living to kitchen area. Very open concept in this home. You could put your TV here, plenty of space for you to do that. Different kind of couches, maybe some chairs, whatever you want to do to make this place your home, you can do that here. So you can have this big table, or you could have a small one as well. There's really a great amount of size in this house to do whatever you want. Because if you don't have this table, you have this bar top, and you can put bar stools here for extra seating, especially when all of your family members are coming home from the holidays. I know I have a big family and we need a lot of space. So here's our kitchen. So many cabinets. It is just crazy how many cabinets there are. And these are customizable. You can do any different kind of color you want that we offer. Different countertops and different hardware. We have the gold here, but we do offer black as well. And what's really cool is you could have your island be a different color than your cabinets. So whatever you want to do to make your home, we can do for you. Over here we have our stainless steel fridge. It's kind of wrapped up right now, so just ignore that. But we do have stainless steel appliances. So now we're going to head over to the primary bedroom. This is our primary bedroom, a different setup than some of our homes. We have our closet here and our bathroom here, but I do like the separation. I think it's really nice. You can fit a queen, king, whatever you want. If it's just you, maybe a double, who knows. But in here, we have our primary bathroom. Again, you can customize these showers to have the subway tile backsplash or just a solid white. I love the subway tile. I think that is a great choice for your home. It really just makes it very modern, farmhouse, and sleek. Oh, look who it is. It's Brosty here to remind us there are just 4 days till Christmas. So make sure you're getting that last minute shopping in, that last minute cooking, and you know, you've got to be prepared for these holidays. They come up quick, don't they? But again, down here we have so much space. Cabinets and your storage down here. Put bins down here, whatever you'd like. So now we're going to head to the secondary bedrooms on the other side of the house. But before we do that, to our left, we have your washer and dryer hookups right next to the primary bedroom, so you can do your laundry right there.
And again, for those who are just joining, we are here at the Trinity, which is a 2 to 3 beds, 2 baths, and 930 to 1190 square foot.
And here is our first secondary bedroom. You could definitely fit a twin size bed in here, side table, desk dresser, probably either one of those. I don't think you can fit both, but enough space for sure. And here is our closet. Lots of space up top, up bottom, and plenty of space to hang those clothes. And we can walk over here to our secondary bathroom. Now, I think this bathroom just feels bigger. It just feels bigger to me. And you have a lot more space underneath, single vanity, and your tub and shower combo. Over here is our secondary bedroom, and this one is huge. Like, you could fit a bed here, you could fit your dresser with your TV on it, maybe your bed over here. You can really, I think you could fit a bed in here and maybe mount, you know, your side tables, whatever you feel like creatively that you should do in here. Here is your closet that we have here. Plenty of space again. Perfect amount of storage for someone living in here. Well, I think that wraps up our tour. Thank you all for joining. And again, Merry early Christmas. And I hope that you are really safe in this holiday season. And we can't wait to see you after Christmas. Bye, y'all.